Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to claim the BMANI earbuds warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. For a hassle-free warranty claim, simply visit our website, which outlines 3 easy steps to guide you through the process without any inconvenience. Please read all the instructions provided. Below the final step, you will find contact information, including the email and phone number 781-776-7816, which can be reached Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST. On the official website of BMANI, the contact section can be found at the top of the page. Once you click on the contact section, you will find a form located on the right side of the page. The form includes fields for name, email, and a message box. When contacting the customer support team, they will ask you to provide the following information: order number, receipt, and a product image, along with details elaborating on the issue, to support@bmani.net. After collecting and verifying the given information, they will attempt to fix the issues by providing troubleshooting tips. If these are found to be ineffective, you will be offered a replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.